Hello to all of my amazing Sagittarius. This is Queen Amun Ra coming to you with a very special reading. Happy birthday to all of my amazing Sagittarius. Sagittarius, listen, I have some gifts for you. There's no trivia question. I've just been giving y'all gifts during Sagittarius season. Look, I don't have any questions for you, right? I just want to give away these gifts. Now, listen. Many of my subscribers are entrepreneurs, but one in particular, I was trying to look for something very, very unique. And let me show you what I have before we get into this full moon ritual video, this reading. Okay, let me show you what I have. And these are handmade soaps, right? And I want to give you, I literally just got these in the mail today, right? And so as I said, you know what? I'm always looking to support fellow entrepreneurs. And so I want to gift somebody, one of each, right? So I have one gift. Let me see if I can hold this close enough so you all can kind of take a screenshot and read it so you can kind of sort of see the name of the company. But this is a ancient herbal care Lovejoy vegan soap. This one is a mango guava vegan soap. This is a lemongrass vegan soap. This is an African musk soap. This is an antique sandalwood vegan soap, right? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's for the first 5 people that text me. Also, I realized that, listen, some of you all, we have subscribers all over the world. And so some people may see the videos late, but I please check how long the video has been up, because I can assure you, as soon as I upload the videos, people send me text messages. My contact information is down below, because a lot of people say, well, I don't know, what's your number? I said that you may email me. Please do not email me, and please don't put it under the videos. Text me. The number is below, right? All right, let me show y'all what else they have. And like I said, they packed all of this. So this is their pack. This is a African black soap with vitamin C, anti-aging, moisturizer, collagen in this. And again, these are still, like, I'm just going to put them in another like a container. I mean, not a container, but like to mail it out for those of you all who want. I'm going to buy some of this for myself, but I wanted to give this to you all. And I really want your honest feedback. Like, these are free gifts. This is a neem avocado butter, body butter. Yes. So I want to give someone that. And I'll tell you the total number of gifts that I have here. I want to say it's 9. So there's 5 soaps. 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's a total of 9. So the first 9 people who want this, send it to me. Send me. This is a moringa avocado butter rich with antioxidants and vitamin C. This is, a whipped butter, that you put on your body. Again, these are still sealed, because I'm not going to use these. I'm going to purchase some. But I want to hear back from you all, because again, this is about supporting small businesses. And this is, my giveaway to you all. And then this one right here, which still has the tape and everything on it. This is organic moringa lotion, vitamin C, builds collagen, anti-aging, 8 ounces, 8 ounce. So again, the first 9 people who reach out to me, I'm going to send it to 9 people. And I only have 1 of each. So let's get on with your reading. Okay. Happy full moon energy. Let's go. Most High God in the universe, please give me a special reading for my amazing Sagittarius as it relates to every area of their lives, specifically in areas of power and intellect, money and wealth, creativity and emotions, and spirituality, and where they need to take action. Let's get into your reading. Again, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates with you, Sagittarius. And we're going to talk a little bit about moon rituals, full moon rituals. Okay, nice. So, Sagittarius, your ruling planet is Jupiter, right? That's a planet of expansion. So I really all want you to start seeing the bigger picture in life, just in general, right? I want you all to start being more confident, finding a balance between speaking your mind and saying too much, and I'm talking about being more confident. I'm talking about being, because you all have this healing energy that people really need you to speak your mind in love, right? Here we have the 5 of Cups. We'll talk about that a little bit. We have the 9 of Wands. We have the Seven of Wands. And remember, I do the giveaways. This is my way of saying thank you for supporting my channel. I love to celebrate signs when it's your birthday month, you know, your birthday season. I like to give back and say thank you. So my gifts, it doesn't matter how many times that you've already won. There's no limit on how many times you can win. So if you happen to see the video first, you're like, oh, let me go ahead and send, let her know I want one of those gifts. Just let me know. I think I've called out everything here. If there's something that you see that you want. And again, please, please, please look at the amount of time the video has already been uploaded. Usually the gifts go within the first 5 to 10 minutes. So if you contact me an hour after the video has already been up saying, oh, I want this, I want that, 9 times out of 10 is already gone. We have the Six of Cups. We have the Fool card in upright and also the Star card in upright. All right. So this is double Aquarius. So the Fool card is attached to Uranus or Uranus, one of Aquarius's ruling planet, and the Star card is Aquarius's. So some of you all may have Aquarius in your chart. All right. Right. So somebody has really been kind of sad, right? Like kind of looking at relationships. This is the Five of Cups. Looking at relationships like with the glass half empty versus the glass half full, right? But you're at the end of a long and arduous journey of self-discovery, right? Some of you all have had some issues with some family members that's been in your life your whole life, right? And it's really been making you sad. And so the primary focus for you is on healing, all right? So part of that healing is going to look like getting your solar plexus chakras in alignment. We talked about solar plexus chakras in the last video, so go back and watch that video if you want to learn more about, because my videos are timeless. So whenever you see it is when you're supposed to see it, right? So again, you're coming to the end of a long and arduous journey, and your primary focus is on healing. Especially you've been trying to heal your whole life in dark spaces. Dark spaces could be in your own family, right? But I see the light turning on, like you really deciding it's a fresh new start. See how this person has amethyst? Also, you can supercharge your gemstones and crystals for healing under the moonlight as well. And like I said, I'm going to talk about some rituals. And if you want to go online and look up some more rituals, feel free to do that, because this is primarily a tarot card reading. Anyway, I see somebody healing. The full moon energy means point blank period. Everything has been shown to you. Everything has been laid out to you in your spirits. Your fear, false evidence appearing real, your doubt, any insecurities, all of that has been laid out in you and around you, right? Remember, we have no control over other people as gods in human form. We are not other people's gods. So if their insecurities are rubbing up against your insecurities and it's causing some kind of friction or whatever, it's time to make a decision, right? You all have had many phases with certain people, and what I'm seeing is with family. And so even though you're in a position to actually heal them, if they're not ready to receive it, it's time to move on. Like I said, you're at the end of a long and arduous journey you've been on for quite some time. So yeah, you're not going to stay in a place where you're just simply being tolerated and they don't even see that you are there to actually help heal them, break generational curses, so, or generational chains, bondages, right? So yeah, somebody's incredibly sad because of their family. Wow. But that's what the full moon will do. The full moon will illuminate all of that. But I see a breakthrough. Yes, I see a breakthrough. I wish I could I need to see if I can tilt the camera a little bit so you can see the cards on the table. I tried to tilt it earlier and whole camera just fell over. I said, you know what? We're just going to keep on going. Right. So I'll fix it the next time. But anyway, I see a breakthrough for you all. And I see a lot of, okay, what's coming through for me right now, Sagittarius, is that smear campaigns are being run. People are talking about you because you have decided to heal, right? Who told you could heal, Sagittarius? You're not supposed to heal. You're supposed to stay broken for the rest of your life. Insert sarcasm, right? But again, those tricky relationships around you are going to fall by the wayside. This moon card is attached to Pisces. And so as they fall by the wayside and you continue to tap into your strength, some of you all may have Leo in your chart. As you continue to tap into your strength, and messages are continuing to come through. This is attached to Mercury, which is the communications planet. You'll know exactly what to respond to and what not to give, because you all are givers by default. You'll know what to give to and what to receive. Like, am I going to give a response? And like, say, for instance, somebody says that, let's say somebody makes a negative comment about you, Sagittarius. Let's just say they say something like, oh, you're mean, right? Do you have to receive that you were mean? Not necessarily. You're not going to even give it any energy, right? You're not going to receive it, so you're not going to give it any energy, right? Versus someone saying, you know what, you could have said it differently. Maybe you receive that and maybe you give it an energy like, you're right, I probably could have said it differently, but I tried to give you 10,000. I tried to say it as nice as I possibly could, and you still weren't receiving it, so I had to be brutally honest with you, right? And that it seemed like that was the only thing that you received, right? So again, I see you all being very clear on what you're receiving. And so some of those relationships are going to completely fall by the wayside and going to be replaced with money. Because this is what God was trying to send you anyway. You're a healer. So you may need this tool to actually start your business of healing other people. See? Yes, Sagittarius. Again, full moon energy. Full moon energy is no joke. So one of the things that I do as a ritual is sage my entire, once everything has been revealed to me, you know, like you could have had very vivid dreams, faces could appear in your dream, that people you haven't talked to in a long time, they could have been showing that those people are not having, they're going through karma. Anything could be showing in your face. But if you know you're not going backwards and you're not talking to those people and you have completely severed ties, you're going to sage that energy out of your house. Sage your bedroom where you were asleep. Sage whatever room, that energy that you were carrying around the house, you're saging it, right? You also going to find a quiet place where you can actually write down what you want to manifest, whatever it is. It doesn't matter what you want to manifest. You can manifest a spouse, manifest a baby, manifest a new job, an increase, a raise, the strength or the, ideas to start a business. Whatever you're manifesting, write it down, right? Put it in a container, a jar or something, and sit it under the window. Sit it under the moon, right? Because again, the moon is very powerful. It's aligned to our feelings, subconscious habits, moods, and emotions, right? And trust and believe that you're manifesting that, right? You can also put water by the, like a container of water. Some people like to have bottled water in a clear container or see-through container, glass. Water in a glass. But again, water facing the moon causes a gravitational pull. So again, it's giving energy to it. Next day, you can drink that water. You can put that water on your skin. Again, you're manifesting what you want. This is where you're going to start finding, you're going to start being, like I said, a little bit more confident in what you're asking for, what you're putting out in the universe. Meditation. Somebody's going to be meditating maybe outside or listening to meditation music if you're not outside, playing earthy sounds in the background, right? Just seeing yourself being grounded and rooted. But this is what I'm seeing for you all. I will see you all again in the next couple of days, Sagittarius, where I'm going to resume teaching on chakras. But this is what I'm seeing for you all. I see you all at the end. Like physically, you all are one step away from severing ties with people who have caused you to be like this, people in your family, people that you've known since you were a little kid, right? Completely severing ties with it so that you can get up from this place of feeling sad and depressed and hopeless, right? Because it comes out on other people, believe it or not. And I see some of you all, like I said, they will be running smear campaigns. They will be talking about you like a very dirty dog. But at the same time, you all are going to see the big picture. And the big picture for them is that they were just committed to being committed to being who they are. They're not really ready for change. And you are. You're focusing on your healing. You're ready to start something fresh and new. So they're going to fall by the wayside. And so their energy is going to be replaced with a tool that you need to start your healing business. That's what I have for you. Bye.